Hi guys, so it's the 8th. Yesterday was the 7th. I figured it out. Like, it was later, way later on in the day when I figured it out, but I figured it out. It's the 8th and I am just like, I'm really enjoying this whole vlogging thing. Like, I don't really do much during the day, so maybe I'll start like breaking it up into like maybe every 2 days or weekly vlogs or something like that. But right now I'm just kind of like just going with the flow, and if I feel like filming I will. If I don't, then you know, I'm going with the flow of happy, and right now this is what's making me happy. So I'm just like I had a lot going on with family, with you know, us leaving here soon. It's like creeping up, so I need to clean. I need to hire a mama-san. I need to clean. I need to hire a mama-san. And I'm trying to really just focus on, sorry man, this viewfinder will be the end of me. But I need to find like balance in my life. I feel like I do a lot of cleaning, not a lot of cooking, but I love cooking. I don't know, I absolutely really enjoy cooking, so I should cook more, right? Ooh, excuse me. Jeez, sounding like E with Q. No, my burp wasn't nowhere near as loud as hers. My burp was nowhere near as loud as hers. But do y'all watch mukbangs? Like, I am a sucker for mukbangs and ASMR. So like, I randomly came across Belove's life one day, and she was just like eating and smacking, and at first I was like, who is this woman eating like this? And then I saw her again. I just kept watching, and I just kept watching, and now I can't stop watching this lady. I cannot stop watching her. Like, I love me some B-Love. Like, I love her. And then the first time I saw Eat with Q, oh my gosh, I was like, oh my gosh, she's so annoying. When she said hello, I was like, why is she so annoying? I used to have to skip the intro because I did not want to hear her say hello. But then, like, I kept watching. I was one of those haters they be talking about. I never commented because I feel like there's no point in leaving a negative comment, but I was one of those people when they be like, oh, y'all be hating but y'all still watching. That's me. But it, like, she really grew on me. Like, they really grew on me. So now I love her, and you know, I'm subscribed to her and everything now. But I absolutely love Eat with Q, and I love Be-Love. It's a bunch of mukbangs. Anyways, that's beside the point. So like, I really love mukbangs and ASMR. I really want to film one, but I'm so scared to I'm so scared to film one. But ASMR is like my thing, and I like weird ASMR. I don't just listen to like people eating food. I used to watch seafood boils and ASMR. It's just like them dipping it in the sauce is very calming and stuff like that. But I started my daughter got into watching it with me like before her nap times. Like, that would be the only thing that put her to sleep for a nap, along with nursing. So she'd be nursing, and then I put on ASMR. But she likes really crunchy sounds, so you know, like fried chicken ASMR, or chopping chocolate, or like crusty bread and stuff like that. She's never into like the soothing sounds. She likes crunchy ASMR. So we found this channel, and I can't remember the name, but if I find it I'll link it down below. But she was eating seahorses, and it was so crunchy, and it was the most satisfying thing ever. I was like, why do I enjoy this? But I do. And I don't know, but that's random. But who texts me? My bae or my best friend? I don't know. But I love ASMR, and there's this ASMR channel called Cooking Hita Marie or something like that. Hita Marie Cooking. I don't know. It's It's Asian based, I think. And there's one of this guy who makes chocolate desserts, and he's always chopping chocolate, and it's like the most satisfying thing ever. It's so satisfying, like, I swear. But yeah, I absolutely love ASMR. I don't even know how I got on that tangent, but I don't know. This has been so long, but so long. I'm gonna go get my sweet daughter out of her bed so we can start our day. I can make her some breakfast, and I'll see you guys later. God, my phone. Okay, I'll read this one then. Okay, Curious George opposite. George climbs up, then jumps down. George rides forward and backwards too. Roar, you're not even listening, bruh. You're not even listening. How you gonna tell me you wanna read Farm Babies? Give me the book. Give me the book. Let me see the book. I'm finna read without you. I'm finna read without you. First of all, this bear hunt book is so... It's a lot. It's repetitive. Okay, read to me then. Read to me. Let me see. Let me see. Okay, so this is Farm Babies. I'm a baby cow. I eat grass all day. I'm a baby horse. I can jump and play. Where's your horsey? Where's your horsey? I'm a baby pig. I know that I look funny. I hide in the grass. I'm a baby bunny. Ooh. I'm a baby duck. I swim and paddle with my feet. I'm all white and woolly. I'm a baby sheep. Good job. High five. All right. I just read it. I just read. Okay. I'm a baby cow. I eat grass all day. That's a baby worm. I'm a baby horse. I can jump and play. I think that's a tomato bush. I don't know, maybe an apple tree. Yeah. Look. I'm a baby pig. I know that I look funny. What, girl? It's a baby cow. It's a baby cow. That's where he drink his water at. Yeah, that's his water. Yeah. Can I go? Okay, I'm a baby pig. Okay, you got it. You got it, girl. Go do your thing. Okay, what do you want me to do? Okay, I hide in the grass. I'm a baby bunny. Is that the end of the book? You want some pancake? You don't want pancake? Pancake. Pancake. High five. All right. Give me a hug. Oh, Lord, my sweet baby. Let's go get your medicine, okay? Let's go get your medicine. Who keep texting mommy? She's a hot commodity today, huh? Ooh. Uh-oh. Clean your nose. Come on. Putting my clothes away. You saw me talking. I was talking to my sister and my cousin. Just pray saints. Yeah, so I was talking to my cousin and my sister on this app called Marco Polo. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of this app before, but it's really cool and it keeps us all in touch because I live in Japan and they live on two opposite sides of Atlanta. So we're always very busy, but we've always been very close and we always wanted to stay in touch. So my cousin was like, yo, download this app. And you know, pretty much while I've been here in Japan, I've lost contact with so many people, even my best friend, for like an entire year. But Marco Polo kept me, my sister, and my cousin all linked together, and we always talk and we always respond. So it's not sponsored. I don't know why I just started talking about it like that, but I really like the app because it did keep me in contact with them. So maybe you should get it. I'm not popping enough to do sponsored content yet. You know, I got like 78 subscribers, which, by the way, I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers by February. So if you want to help and share this video or my other videos, like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Click the little notification bell that's next to the subscribe button. And yeah, honestly, I'm just gonna continue to do a little bit more cleaning, and then maybe I'll film like actually I gotta work today. It's only 9:45 in the morning. I've accomplished so much. Yes. Yes, for small victories, because I felt like I was not gonna get anything done today. Oh my gosh. But yeah, subscribe and stuff. I gotta work at 1:30, so I'll be leaving at around 12 or so. So this will just be a little daytime vlog. Not much happening during the night. I'll probably cook a little something for dinner. But other than that, I hope you guys have, like, you know, good blessings, good peace. Have a happy new year. It's still the beginning of January. So you can still start, you know. You don't have to wait for a new week or a new month or a new year or anything to start to change yourself. Girl, why did you get in there? You can start anytime you want to, and you can be a better person whenever you want to. But yeah, we're gonna go and finish cleaning the house. Aurora has syrup all over her because she just had some pancakes. Is that pancakes? Let me kiss. She tastes sweet. But yeah, I'm just gonna continue to go about my day. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I hope that you guys enjoy this because it's just for fun. I'm going with the flow of fun, so hopefully you guys are as well. Bye.